Time for adventure! Hooray! Almost done, sweetie. I got more snacks, Mama. That's wonderful, my little helper. Backpacks, check. Look, my tent. All done. Perfect. Yay! Camping time. All right, my little hiker. Perfect. Let's go on an adventure. All right, little explorer. Let's begin our adventure. Hooray, Mama. Let's go. Isn't it beautiful, little one? Wow, look, Mama. So green. I'm glad you're enjoying it. Look, Mama. We made it, little one. You did so well. Meow. Meow. Look, little one. Mount Fuji. Wow, it's so big. Look, little one. The world is full of wonders. Wow, Mama, it's beautiful. Look, little one, we've arrived. Wow, it's beautiful. All right, backpacks down. Wow, look at everything. Be careful, little one. We have exploring to do later. You put the pole here, sweetie. Oh, I see. Like this? Yes, that's right. Good job. All right, little one, grab this corner of the tent. Okay, Mama. That's it, pull it out. Now thread the pole through here. Like this? Perfect, we did it. Yay! Meow. I can do it. Just a little more. Almost got it. Yes. Good job, sweetie. Let's try it this way, sweetie. Okay, Mama. That's it, we did it. Yay! Meow, meow. Almost there. We did it! Hooray! All right, just one more sleeping bag. I helped. You sure did, little one. Looks perfect. Can you help me organize the shoes, sweetie? Yes, Mama. Good job, little one. I did it. You did such a great job setting up camp, little one. Meow, I sure did. All right, just one more stick. Almost got it. Perfect. Now for the light. Ooh, look, Mama. All right, time to get this lit. Wow, Mama, look at it go. Ah!
Smells ready. Just perfect.
Almost done, little one. It smells delicious. Yum, yum. Just right, now you can eat. Here's your dinner, little one. It's nice and warm. Meow, thank you, Mama. Yum. This is delicious. I'm glad you like it, sweetie. This is so much fun. It is. You're doing a great job, sweetie. Look, Mama, I did it. Isn't this view lovely, sweetie? It is, Mama Cat. Meow. 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 Come on back, little explorer. Meow. That's it. Come to Mama. Plop. Look at the ripples. Woohoo! I did it. Look, Mama. Look, there's a puppy. Hey, puppy. And now it's a kitty, just like us. Look at this one. Oh, that's beautiful. And this shiny stone. Perfect souvenirs. Do you want to try to get it? Meow. That's it, you got it.
Yay! Mama, look at me.
You're doing so great, sweetie.
Play with me.
Time for some light.
Come along now, little one. It's time for bed. Look at the stars, Mama.
We'll see them better from inside. All right, these are all ready for you.
Meow, meow.
Oh, getting right in there, are we? And the little bunny danced all the way home.
He danced all the way home?
He did, just like you might in your frog suit.
Yay!
Isn't it beautiful, little one?
Wow, Mama, look at all the lights.
Look at the sky, little one. Do you see the stars shaped like a fish?
Wow, a fish.
That's right. Kane,
Time to get cozy, little one. Yeah, cozy.
time to start the day, little one.
Good morning, little one. Wow. Wow. Good morning, Mama.
Look, little one, the sun is rising over Fuji.
Wow.
Good morning, little one. It's beautiful out here.
Whee!
I love the fresh air, Mama. Good morning, sweetie. Breakfast is almost ready.
Morning, Mama. Smells yummy.
Good morning, little one.
Wow, thank you.
Just look at that view.
All right, let's get this basket packed. Meow.
Good job finding that one.
Eep.
I'm so proud of you. You were so helpful around the camp.
Thanks, Mama Cat. I loved helping.
I'll miss this view.
Me too, Mama.
Almost done, little one.
Wow.
Woo. Ready for our next adventure, sweetie? Goodbye, campsite. We had so much fun.
Bye-bye. We'll miss you.
We'll be back soon. You're a tired little froggy tonight, aren't you? All right, little one, hold my paw.
Look at the train, Mama. It's so big.
We're going home now. Home, little one. Yay, home. All right, let's get this tent up.
Oh, yes, we can do it.
Do you remember our first trip there?
It was amazing.